To delete browser history on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for your browser application. In my case it will be this Google Chrome. Let's go in there, and from here you'll have to go for the, let's go through all this. And now as you are in this browser application, you will have to press these three dots on the top right corner right here, and there you will find the history and the button to delete browsing data. So you can either go for a history and from there delete all the browsing data, and you can simply just press this button from here and there you can delete the data. You can press this button to delete the data, but in case if in your browser there's not such a button like this, so you'll have to go for the history, and after that there's actually no history right here. So let's, for example, go there and then go for a history, and here you can find this all of your history, and here is this button to delete browsing data. Press this one, here you can select some more of these things and press delete data, and that's how you can do this.